Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to regain access to your Teachable Instructor account. Following these steps will help you get back into your account quickly and securely so you can manage your courses and students. Step 1. Go to the Teachable login page. Open your browser and visit yourschoolname.teachable.com/signin or the main Teachable login page. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click Forgot Password. If you can't log in, click Forgot Password and enter the email address associated with your instructor account. Step 3. Check your email. Open the email from Teachable and click the Reset Password link. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Step 4. Create a new password. Enter a strong and unique password and confirm it. This will update your account credentials. Step 5. Log into your instructor dashboard. Return to the Teachable login page. Enter your email and new password, and access your instructor dashboard to manage courses, students, and settings. For more helpful Teachable tips and tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.